Guys, today I'm teaching you how to update gas information in Waze in 2026. If you want to see a current gas prices and help keep information accurate, here's how to do it. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the map screen, tap the search bar and look for the nearby gas stations. Select the gas station you want to update. If Waze allows price updates for that location, look for the option to report or update the gas price. Enter the current price shown at the station. Then review the information carefully before submitting it. You can also use Waze while driving to report information when it's safe to do so. Never interact with your phone while the vehicle is moving. After submitting the update, Waze can use the information to help other drivers find more accurate gas prices. And that's how to update gas information in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.